Today is currently Monday, February 21. Going to some little island out here in Washington to do work for a week. Yeah, so now I've got to wait about an hour till this ferry takes off, and that's a 20-minute jaunt across the water. That's it for now. I'm in a car on a boat on a lake with other cars, about to go across the water to an island. It's wild.
We're going to the Oro Bay Marina at the Oro Bay Yacht Club, where we keep our boat. And we're very sad that about our boat, because we're looking at a very likely move to Montana or Wyoming where there's no water. So leaving the boat behind is going to be a little bittersweet, but it's brought our family incredible memories that will last a lifetime. Look at how flat the water is. This is going to be perfect, Brian.
We are here. Let's go. How cool is life right now? We're out here near the Puget Sound, Mount Rainier in the distance, on a boat. Life's good. When did you get into boating?
Before I stopped drinking. And I have to say it was my first boat, which was a 30-foot Bayliner. It was reasonably comfortable, it went fast. I loved my first boat, but I also, for whatever reason, began drinking a lot. The boating culture, recreation, leisure, includes socially and as part of its culture, alcohol. In fact, it was, I think, Winston Churchill that described the British Navy as rum, buggery, and the lash. So, this boat came along just before I got sober, and I enjoy boating even more. I'm able to be fully present in the moment, in the environment that I'm in, which is so completely free and liberating in almost every respect, and it's beautiful, and there's way more water than there is land, which makes land stand out in such a stark contrast, and in a way that can be appreciated so differently from being on it. And I love the freedom and the peace that probably comes to some extent from the isolation with the people I love, and that's why I love boating. And look at where we are. We're in the Puget Sound, which is among the most sought-after places to engage in boating across the United States. You can see the Cascade volcanoes from here. Mount Rainier is right over there. And you can go all the way to Canada and Alaska if you wanted, and people have.
Andy's gonna interview me. Fire away, Captain.
What do you think led you to this place that you're in now, where you have a freedom of spirit to enjoy where you are and to appreciate others in such a selfless way? How did you get to there?
I think quite literally, ever since I was a kid, I've just always done whatever I wanted to do. I never really let people influence me to do things.
And God, don't we hear that message from so many people who are representatives of success in all areas of life, that they followed their heart or their own voice. They didn't listen to others.
The secret is clear. Just that little voice in your head that's like, I want to do this. I don't want to do that. Listen to that thing that tells you, I want to do this.
Yep.
This is a good end cap to our work week.
Yeah, and we had a great work week. I'm excited about its release to the world and what it can do for people who have to respond to the conditions that they're tasked to respond to, which is crisis and anger, aggression and violence. And your worldview and personality just gelled so well with my wife and me and my kids and the work that we did this past week.
Where can people find your work?
They can find what we do at jumpstartmastery.com. We maintain a social network on Mighty Networks that allows professionals from all over the world in public safety, behavioral health, and private enterprise to come together about crisis de-escalation to people presenting anger, aggression, and violence. The environment is an epistemic environment, meaning that it's a learning environment. The networking is oriented toward learning. The content in the master classes and the weekly live trainings are oriented toward learning. And the consulting and training services that are in person and available through that interface are all about learning and raising people's competencies.
This can be used by anyone.
But, well, thank you. It's been a delight to work with you and to be with you.
Definitely. This has been fun. Probably should get going, huh?
Take care.
See ya.